Right, so Sam and Polly are kind enough to show you around their van. So you guys have only been doing the van life thing, like you've only been living in it now for a couple of months.
Yeah, a couple of months.
Yeah, but this is also a DIY conversion, and it is completely different to ours. So you'll notice straight away, open plan, which is really cool.
Got to be careful not to let the cat out, but let's
come in.
So,
yeah, I'll just let Holly present. I think the
Alright.
van is easy enough.
Oh well, here we go. Come in. There is. You come in directly into the living room, where there's a couch. There, a rug that's going to be glued to the floor because the cats keep making it into a ball. Then you come into the middle of the van where there's a bathroom or wet room, which is kind of a storage room whenever it's not being used. And then you have all of this floor space, which kind of leads into the kitchen, the office, the second bedroom, and the back bench, which is kind of a desk plus a lounger, essentially. Yeah, and yeah, so you have full sort of storage here. You have drawers with cutlery, games, because everybody needs games. This is kind of the office, and there's a bigger desk here hidden that comes down as well. So you have a giant office for those working days, since we live full time here. There's an upstairs as well. You can access the roof deck through the skylight here, which nicely opens. There's a cat in the way. This is a cube, which is used for absolutely everything, including a table. Yes, there's a lot of space here, and we use this space as our bedroom at night because we have underfloor heating, and it's literally the most comfy, toasty, warm bed that I have ever had. So yes, that's why we have two bedrooms. So this is the main one, the one we prefer, and then the couch is a pull-out couch, which basically is a guest bedroom if anybody wants to visit. So yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And now we're gonna go for a little explore. So in that general direction, just over there, there's another beach, and I think a load of more vans that are parked up, and some caves and a cool little cove. So we're gonna go check that out.
Quite a lot of people on that beach this morning.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Go check it out.
Didn't even see that person. This one's an absolute couch. Comfy, nice views.
Not a bad little viewpoint, is it?
Oh, it's lovely.
So you think you want to go in the water?
Later.
Yeah, which one? So we've got that beach, or that little beach, or there's one over there, or there's one near the van. Spoiled for choice.
So much choice.
What do you reckon? They're all quite shallow, aren't they?
Yeah, that one's busy.
That one is busy.
Plus everyone will go home later.
Yeah. I'm well up for going in the water. It's such a beaut day.
Yeah.
And we need to make the most of it now because it's going to rain again. So we've just had like a couple of rainy days.
Yeah.
Now we're making the most of the sun, and then it's going to rain again.
Yep. So get in the water while we can. So we've left Sam and Polly. They've carried on walking along the cliffs. It's quite a hot day, so we are heading back. We're gonna have some lunch, and then after lunch we're gonna go for a swim, which will be good. Playful rat.
Oh, hi.
She's enjoying herself.
Yeah.